boys are home.
Proof is home. Finally.
It says Weverse Shop right here.
Straight from Weverse. Can you give me something to cut it here?
My scissors.
You guys.
I got scissors already.
Okay. Wow.
This is from our boys.
We're not even there yet. Calm down.
What is that?
Oh my God, no. What is this? Is it a poster or is it just a thing? Why you doing this at me? No, it's nothing in
no,
it.
there is something in
No. No, it's nothing in
Oh,
there.
it's the proof poster.
It is? Take it out.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, it's bigger than yours.
No, it's the same size.
Okay, roll it back up, please. Careful. So this is the set.
Wait, not yet.
Okay. She's like, oh my God, look.
Stop it.
Okay, open it. Be
This
careful.
is the compact.
Okay, open it up.
You gotta be really gentle.
Wait, be nice.
I am being nice.
Okay. Okay, there's more.
Who did we get? We got sugar!
No, give me, that's mine. Okay, you already got yours. Take this out. This, give me.
Wait, we can't have two.
No, give me.
No, it's the same one.
I don't care. Give me, let me see it first. I decide.
It has their
No. Signature.
Yes.
Okay.
B.
All right, give me.
And sugar, we got sugar.
Take it out. Take it out.
Yuki, marry me.
What's this in the back for?
You scan it, I think. Let me see.
It's a coupon code.
Coupon.
Yeah.
Oh, it's for the island thing. So you could get a proof stand for their game when it comes out. So we have two of them. We have two coupons. One for you, one for me.
No, give me.
Yes!
Give me this.
thing.
I don't care. It's mine.
Be really careful. I think it lights up. I don't think so.
You got it out? Is it out?
It goes like
Let me see.
that's the acrylic thing, and then you put the card.
How you? Oh, you got to put it on the side. But wait, it's more paper in it.
It's acrylic. You gotta take off the protective thing, I guess.
No.
This is a
This
rare
stands up.
Photo card. Look at the back, what it says. Proof, Weverse Shop, and we got Minyungi in the front. Sugar.
¡Yuki, baby! Ay, pero mira qué lindo ese hombre se ve. Wow. Okay. What else?
We'll figure this out.
Wait, don't touch my stuff. Open this one here.
You said don't touch it, but you told me to open this up.
Oh my God, this is the big one.
This.
Oh,
It's for what?
there's more pictures in it. There's more, I think. Oh my God, this is... Why is this bigger than yours?
This is the set. Oh, it goes like this.
Oh, gimme.
Is there tape on there?
No, you gotta put it under it. Well, why handsome? I love you too. Oh, don't get jealous.
I'm not.
This is like a sticker thing, I
Yeah.
think. Oh my God, look at that. Okay.
This. Oh God, it's heavy too. It's the same thing. I'm trying to open it for you.
Don't scratch it.
I'm not. I gotta cut it open. Well, I don't really have to cut it. I could just.
Ow.
CD1.
But it's
2,
different.
3. No, it's the same thing. And then it says the names of the songs right there.
Oh.
It's just a smaller version. It's not the big one.
I got Jimmy.
Jin.
Jim and Jim,
Look,
excuse me.
Jin. Jin, 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 Jin. Ma. Jin, 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 Jin.
Where you get this one from?
They come in photo cards too.
Oh, shit.
Jin, 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 Jin.
Gimme.
It's Obi.
I got that one too, yeah. This is a bigger one.
This is their discography. Look, we are bulletproof. You open it and it shows all their stuff. And this is the book. See, this one is smaller. This one is small. Ah! This one comes with a poster too.
Oh, I got that poster too. Ha ha.
Forever. We are bulletproof. We are bulletproof. We are bulletproof.
Any more pictures?
No, just the book. Look, there's pictures.
Can I
and
get
stuff
that
right
one
here.
over there?
Sugar, you gotta fix it. It's crooked.
I know he's crooked. Gotta fix him.
Compact edition. Participate in the survey and get Weverse cash and emblems. Eligible within a year of the album release.
Oh.
Wait, so there's cash on this?
No.
What it doesn't come with is the photo cards like the standard does. You heard?
Open that. Maybe there's more in there.
This is the standard. This is the compact. This is what came.
Okay,
inside the
can you
compact.
open it though?
Yeah, let me put this back. Look, my hands are shaking. My hands are literally shaking right now.
Oh.
We got baby BTS. Here's the owl CD. We got so much stuff. I need to buy a thing to go for.
Can you hurry up, please?
I'm trying to.
She's so
fix this
full.
in.
Just put her on the side for now.
Standard edition. Did
I
already
love
show
my
you the
photo
CDs yet?
cards.
Did I already open this yet?
No.
It's the same thing, but it's more bigger.
Yay. And then the books, right?
Oh. We are bulletproof. We are bulletproof.
No more
Maybe it's
pictures.
a different poster on the bottom, because there's a poster that comes on the bottom of this
Oh,
too.
hurry up and check.
This is the book.
Okay.
So the. Okay, we have another book.
Okay. Come to the bottom.
You don't want it? Okay.
No, because I know what it comes with. You got the standard one too.
This more picture.
Yeah.
Good marketing. Good marketing. Very good.
That's it.
Oh no, the poster is in there. They didn't put
Oh
it in
yeah,
the
the
standard. They
poster's
just
in
put it
there. Okay,
And
good.
these are the lyrics.
Okay, good. I am very happy.
Oh, more than that.
Oh, thank you, BTS. Thank you,
BTS.
Weverse.
What
I'm so
I
happy
like,
with
what
my
I like.
shipments. Oh, look at.
Oh, you gotta do the fan chant. Kim Namjoon, Kim Seojin, Min Yoongi, Jung Hoseok, Park Jimin, Kim Taehyung, Jung Jungkook, BTS.